Once again, Miami Outlaw Diesel with my friend, the Chisel McDizzle Wizard.
Jesus Christ. All right, check this out, guys. What we're doing here is we're removing on the existing nitrous. They bring these little blow-off valves, and they're so when the pressure on the bottle goes way too high, especially when you're inside a vehicle because of the heat and all that stuff, this little thing will go off, and the nitrous will come out of here and bring the pressure down. When you're by the NHRA rules or any drag racing rules, a nitrous bottle has to have a release and cannot go into the cabin. So what we do is we alter the bottle, we take these off, and we put on these parts, which part number 16169 NOS. There's the racer safety valve, which brings an AN fitting at the end. And what we're going to do is, most of the time it's a draft tube that just goes straight down on a race car, but since we mounted these bottles so high that so he can reach to them instead of using a remote start, but we won't tell him that. I'm gonna put these two fittings on here with some steel braided hose. They'll look cooler. We'll put them here, and we're gonna run them through the seat through the bottom. And you're doing this because if you go to the track, they will not let you race because that bottle can pressurize and just throw all the nitrous. And if you've ever been to the dentist, you can inhale nitrous. Gets you all high and stuff, so you can pull whatever kind of work they want to do in your mouth. But nitrous for a vehicle, when you go to a race place where they have nitrous that they sell you, they put, I think it's called a sulfur that they put in there, and it'll make you, trust me, I've had a bottle explode in a truck, and my throat was killing me for like about 3 hours because you cannot inhale this stuff. So we're gonna do this, and when we finish the product, so you can guys see it awesome.
All right, thank you for that nice explanation. All right, this is the conclusion of the video on the draft tubes on the nitrous oxide bottles inside the cab. This is how it came out. Of course, if you want to get the draft tubes that's just straight aluminum going straight down, you can get that, but for all intents and purposes, I figured that the braided line would be best for me. This is the kit that I bought. And with that kit, I was able to cut 7 feet for one side and 7 feet for the other side. And I ran it under the speaker box, which I got there, going back into a oval shaped hole that's on the back wall of the cab. It's already pre-cut. You just punch it out, and there you go. You got space to knock it out. And of course, this line here is going to the actual to the front of the engine. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to hook up the draft tubes. If you have any questions, and if I can answer them, I'll be happy to do so. And if I can't answer them, I'll refer them to somebody that I trust that can give me the right answer. Now remember, this is a free YouTube channel. It doesn't cost you a penny to subscribe, and they say it helps to hit that like button. So if you can, hit the like button. And in the future, if you want to become an American diesel patriot, there's some t-shirts below this video, or you can purchase a t-shirt. And again, it will support me to do more exciting videos. All right, take it easy, guys and girls.